Watch this ugly face.
That's nothing. Check this out.
That's nothing, man. Check this.
Are you kids making ugly faces?
Maybe.
Well, you know, if you keep making those faces, you'll freeze that way, and you'll be stuck with a horrible face forever.
Do you think Mom was telling the truth?
Mom wouldn't lie.
All right!
Watch this scary face.
Oh, yeah? That's not scary.
Oh, yeah? That's not scary.
Oh, yeah? That's not...
Ah! Scary!
I call this face the howler monkey.
I call this face Dad.
All right. I told you, if you kept making those horrible faces, they'd freeze that way. And now they have.
They have?
Our faces are frozen?
Yes, they are. Go look in the mirror and see for yourselves.